If you are looking for innovative solutions to take advantage of the Internet of Things and Industry 4.0, Iconix is the company for you. Iconix software solutions help customers visualize, analyze, and mobilize their enterprise with rich 2D and 3D natural interfaces on-premise or in the cloud. Our analytics suite provides customers secure insight into their data, making the invisible visible. Iconix Cloud Connector and Cloud Hyperhistorian make immediate use of the Internet of Things with elastic storage and unlimited scalability. Connect any smart device to the cloud to visualize shop floor and smart building information. With new Office 365 and Power BI integration, customers can enjoy added value from their existing Iconix applications and even leverage Azure Machine Learning to predict the future. Connect to the ever-expanding Internet of Things with proven solutions today. Learn more about us at iconix.com/IoT.